In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a subtask in Jira, ensuring that you can keep your project organized and clutter-free. If you're a project manager, a team lead, or simply working in a collaborative tech environment, Jira is an incredibly useful tool for managing projects and tracking issues, but sometimes cleaning up subtasks that are no longer needed is just as important as creating new ones. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process on how to delete a subtask from Jira effectively. First off, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and log into your Jira account. Ensuring you're logged into the correct Jira account gives you access to your dashboard, where you can manage all of your project tasks seamlessly. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the specific parent issue that contains the subtask you want to delete. The parent issue is essentially the main task that your subtask is part of. It's important to start here because deleting a subtask involves first identifying it within the context of its larger task environment. Having located your parent issue, it's time to scroll down to the subtasks section. This area is typically found below the main details of the parent issue, and it lists all associated subtasks in a neat, organized manner. Now that you've found the subtasks section, calmly scan through it to identify the particular subtask you want to remove. Once spotted, click on the subtask. This will open up a detailed view of that subtask. Here you can see more information, such as its status, descriptions, and more. Taking this step ensures that you're making changes to the correct subtask. With the subtask view open, look towards the top right corner of this page. You should see the More menu represented by 3 dots, more commonly known as an ellipsis. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu that hosts several options. From this menu, select the option labeled Delete. This option is there to delete the subtask from your project. However, Jira won't just let you delete a subtask without confirming this action. It's a way to prevent accidental deletions that could affect your project's workflow. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this subtask permanently. If you're sure and ready to proceed, click Delete once more to confirm this decision. There you have it. You've successfully deleted a subtask from your Jira project. By following these steps, you've managed to keep your project clean and organized, ensuring that only relevant and necessary tasks are prioritized. Remember, regularly reviewing and cleaning up tasks like these can significantly enhance your project's efficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and happy project managing.